do a really nice offer memorandum, print it in color and bind it, and think about the people that own properties that you want to work with to sell their property or lease their property or manage their property, and send them this package. Show them what you're doing. You know, mail it to them, FedEx it to them. Use the fact that you were chosen for exclusive assignment to market your services to others. The other thing I would do is look at the marketing, the offering memorandum, the package, whatever you call it in your market, the flyer, and is it compelling? Is it possibly doing what I just mentioned to you happened to me yesterday, where it's just from the offering memorandum, they may have looked at my bio or whatever, but from the offering memorandum, like, wow, these guys really do a great job, and I want to sell my property, I should call them, right? Is your offering memorandum doing that?